Welcome to your morning activation. We'll start with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose for 2, 3, holding at the top for 2, 3, and exhaling through the mouth for 2, 3. Again, in through the nose, 2, 3, holding, 2, 3, exhale, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Holding. 2, 3. And exhale. 2, 3. As you breathe, feel a warm pressure waking up in the lower belly, the ancient center of desire, drive, instinct, and masculine force. This is your life fire, your primal furnace, your source of creation. Say silently, my energy is rising. Feel the heat gathering. Feel the electricity building in the pelvis, the spine, the solar plexus. This is the same energy that can create life. The same energy that can build an empire. The same energy that can transform a man into the rarest, most formidable version of himself. And now you are claiming it. With every breath, imagine this sexual energy rising upward from the base of the spine to the sacrum, into the solar plexus, up through the heart, into the throat, and into the mind. As it rises, it changes form from lust into focus, from craving into command, from scattered desire into pure drive. Say, my desire fuels my mission. Feel unnecessary urges dissolving. Feel weakness evaporating. Feel discipline taking their place. This is what separates superior men from the masses. Not the absence of desire, but the mastery of it. You are no longer controlled by your impulses. You are using them as raw fuel to build the man you came here to be. Now, imagine yourself standing as your ideal, highest level man. The version of you who has already achieved supreme confidence, sculpted, powerful physique, iron discipline, deep spiritual presence, wealth, mastery, success, commanding masculine energy, purpose-driven life, magnetic leadership, control over his mind, zero weakness, zero hesitation, absolute belief. See him clearly. Feel him. Be him. You are stepping into this identity now. Say, I am this man, right now, today. And feel it lock into your nervous system. The way he stands, the way he breathes, the way he thinks, speaks, moves, and creates. It is no longer a fantasy. It is an activation. Now, repeat with certainty. My energy is my power. My mind is my weapon. My discipline is absolute. I choose greatness over comfort. I embody the 0.1% man. Feel every word vibrate through your chest. Feel it stamping itself into your subconscious. This is your new baseline. This is your new operating system. This is your identity. Now, imagine the energy you've built exploding outward from your chest. A field of masculine intent pushing through the morning haze, clearing the path before you. see yourself moving through your day, focused, mission-driven, clear, sharp, unstoppable. Every challenge becomes fuel. Every stress becomes strength. Every desire is redirected into power. You don't chase, you create. You build. You conquer. You rise. Say, today I move with purpose. Take a final deep breath into the lower belly. Hold and exhale slowly. As you do, imagine a seal of golden light locking this identity into place. The shift is complete. You have awakened the man you were designed to be. You have transmuted your sexual energy into discipline, hunger, confidence, and unstoppable drive. You are now operating as your highest self, the 0.1% man. Say, I am ready. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Rise. Step forward into your new life.